How big are krill? Have you ever wondered how big krill actually are? These tiny creatures play a huge role in polar ecosystems, and their size is quite fascinating. Krill are small crustaceans that thrive in the cold waters of polar oceans. Their size can vary depending on the species and the environment they inhabit. The most well-known species in the Antarctic is Antarctic krill, scientifically named Euphausia superba. Adult Antarctic krill typically reach about 6 centimeters in length, which is roughly 2.4 inches. They usually weigh between 1 to 2 grams. These shrimp-like animals have translucent bodies adorned with reddish pigment spots and large black eyes, making them visually striking against the icy backdrop of their habitat. One interesting fact about Antarctic krill is their ability to adapt to their surroundings. When food is scarce, they can actually shrink their bodies by molting. This process allows them to survive for over 200 days without eating. During the winter months, when their main food source, phytoplankton, becomes limited under the sea ice, this adaptation helps them conserve energy. Krill are not just fascinating because of their size. They also play a vital role in the polar food web. They often form massive swarms, with some swarms containing over 30,000 individuals per cubic meter. This means they create a critical food source for larger animals like whales, seals, and penguins. In fact, the total biomass of krill in the Southern Ocean is estimated to be between 379 to 500 million tons. This makes them a central component of the polar ecosystem. However, climate change is posing a serious threat to krill populations. The melting of polar ice reduces the growth of algae, which is a key food source for krill during the winter. If krill populations decline, it could disrupt the entire predator-prey dynamic in these ecosystems, affecting species that rely on krill for survival. Additionally, warmer waters may shift where krill are found, which could further alter the balance of life in polar regions. Monitoring the size and population of krill is essential for scientists to understand the impacts of climate change. Conservation measures, such as regulated fishing quotas, are being put in place to protect krill stocks as these ecosystems face rapid environmental changes. So, while krill may be small, their size and role in the polar regions are anything but insignificant.